Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel where we explore the details of process automation. Today I will show you the Autopilot feature in UiPath Studio, a groundbreaking tool that allows you to generate workflows based on natural language prompts. This tool is perfect for beginners who want to start quickly and for advanced users looking to speed up their work. Let's see how Autopilot works. Autopilot in UiPath Studio, available for version 2024.10.5, is an AI-powered feature that lets users create automation by simply describing what they want to achieve. For beginners, this is a great way to learn. Seeing how an automation is generated helps understand workflow structures. For advanced users, it saves time and allows them to focus on more complex tasks. There are several ways to launch Autopilot in UiPath Studio. Each method is quick and simple, making this feature even more practical. The first way is to click on the Generate with Autopilot in the main workspace. This opens a prompt field where you can type your instructions. Another way, you can press Ctrl plus Shift plus T, type your prompt, then click Generate with Autopilot. Lastly is to use the Shift plus F2 shortcut, which immediately opens the prompt field for Autopilot. Now I will show you how Autopilot handles a simple example. Our goal is to create an automation to scan the directory, counts files by their type, and displays the results in the output panel. Before we proceed, I prepared a folder on C test folder, which following contains 1 BMP file, 1 zip file, and 3 TXT files. This will help us verify the results of our automation. Alright, let's use the following prompt. Create an automation that scans the folder C test folder, counts the number of files by their type and displays the results in the output panel. After entering the prompt, Autopilot shows a preview of the workflow it's going to create. The preview includes the main components, such as initializing variables, loops, and conditional operations. We can review this preview to make sure it meets our expectations before confirming it. Autopilot generated a workflow that starts by retrieving files from the C test folder location using the getFiles method. The result is stored in a variable called folder_info, which is of type directory_info, allowing us to process the folder's contents. Next, we set up a dictionary called fileTypeCounts. This dictionary holds file types as key and their counts as values, enabling dynamic counting of file types. In the for each loop, we go through the files in folder_info.getFiles. The variable current file represents each file in the loop. We extract the file extension and store it in the file type variable. Then we have an if activity that checks if the file type key already exists in the dictionary. If the key exists, we move to the then section and increase its value. In the then section, let's modify the assignment to increment the count. This ensures that each time a file of the same type is processed, its count is updated. In the else section, we need to add a new key to the dictionary, if it wasn't already present, and set its value to 1. This shows that the file type is being counted for the first time. Finally, let's adjust the log message activity to display the results in the output panel. The original code generated by Autopilot might cause type conversion errors, so we make a correction. Now, let's run the process and check the output panel to see if the results match the contents of our folder. We should see the output showing 3txt, 1bmp and 1zip, which confirms that the automation correctly counted the file types in C test folder. As we can see, everything is correct. To sum up, Autopilot in UiPath Studio is an innovative feature that benefits both beginners and advanced users. It enables quick automation creation and with AI integration saves time and makes work easier. It encourages you to experiment with Autopilot in your project. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to the channel and give it a thumbs up to stay updated with future tutorials. Thank you very much and see you next time. Bye!